Hi, Sarah here. I've got a quick haul video for you today. This is my sweet treat box for the month of February. So I will get this opened and show you what's inside. If you want some details of where you can get your own one from, I will of course link Claire's shop below and all the details that you'll need will be there. So without further ado, let's see what's in this month's box. I am on the creative team, so I get my box for free, just to give you that information for full disclosure there. I did used to subscribe to this before I was on the creative team as well, so I did actually used to purchase it as well. So here we go. Every month it comes beautifully wrapped in tissue paper. So I'm just going to grab these bits out of here. There is a little write-up about the box, including some challenges on the back, which come in the box so that you can use that for jumping off points for projects and things. And there's lots of information about why Claire chose these colours and information about the products that are in this box. And this month's box is called Your Story. So I'll start off with the papers and stickers, and then I'll move on to this afterwards. So this month we've got these wonderful rainbow colours going on here, so I am already loving this. You can see we've got a striped rainbow piece which has pink triangles on the reverse. We have this beautiful yellow which has these lovely florals, and this red stripe with some lovely clouds. So really loving those lovely bright colours. And here's the reverse. We also have some stickers. We have these images and phrases on here. There's date spot there too, and it's all spring themed with rain and wellies and umbrellas and spring flowers. Lovely, beautiful spring colours there. And as well as that, we have some gorgeous bunting along the bottom there, and some phrase stickers, and then some super handy typewriter style alphas in black and white. So onto this package now. I'm just going to tip it all out. Whee! So in this we have a create with me. So the step-by-step instructions on how to create something here. So that's interesting. So I'll pop that to one side. So we have one of Jane's stencils, I believe, will be in here. So we have this bullet journal stencil, which will come in really handy. I have taken up journaling a lot more recently, so I'm really pleased with that. We have a couple of beautiful bright yellow polka dot doilies. They are adorable. We have, of course, our sweet treat. We have our lollipop. There's these lovely pink and white pearlescent beads. We have a little package here that's got a cute little peg on it. So we have this lovely pastel green envelope which you could also use, and inside was this frame with a cute little bow. We have some fabric here, and it's a green swirly with like a pea green and then a more of a lime green. We have some foam dots, as you can see, some thin foam dots, foam squares. We have some sticks to anything shiny transfer foil in 10 sheets in sea tones, 2 sheets of turquoise, white, light green, grey blue and royal blue. So they sound lovely, and you can see the colour scheme across there. If I hold it up, it's glaring slightly, but you can see there's the blue, white, greenish, grey blue and more royal blue. We have a Versacolour ink pad in canary. We have a bundle of die cuts that match the papers. So we have a lovely big tag. Obviously it's double-sided, so you could use either side of that. We have a smaller tag here. We have a scalloped border. We have a scalloped rectangle that you could use as a frame or a journaling spot. We have some smaller elements here. We have one that says happy, cloud shaped like a cloud that's red and blue, flowers like retro, I think it's retro, that sort of shaped flower I think it's called. XOXO there in a bubble font. We have a sunshine shape here. Another cloud. A speech bubble in stripy and pink. And then some smaller elements here. There's a couple of circles and I don't know what shape we call them, ovals-ish. There's a selection of these smaller sized papers that you can use as journaling cards as well. And we have them again, the rainbow with the pink, 2 of those, the floral with the yellow polka dot, and the cloud with the red stripe. And finally we have this little bag here, some gorgeous orange pom-pom trim, yellow twine, some little pink gems, a ring there, oh I can't think of the actual name for them, like a key ring, and some white, I think this is grosgrain, is that what it's called when it's got the vertical line through it? There's a lot of that there, it's about over a metre I think. So as you can see, that is everything, and it is just sunshine, I'd say, which is just wonderful. I love these colours, they're so bright and so cheerful. And I'll have a quick read of the craft along sheet now. So the create with me instructions go with the sketch, which is just there, and that is to that is one of the challenges that we have on our sheet for jumping off points to help us create with this month's kit. So thanks for joining me today. I will be back on Saturdays with my sweet treat box creations and other things that are made using things from the Paper, Pen and Plan shop. So I do hope you'll join me for those. If you've only just found me and you would like to see more from me, then please do like and subscribe. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!